everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations, coming on today to say Happy New Year. Hope you all had a wonderful Christmas holiday and New Year, and rang that in safely, and hopefully we can see you joining into some of these challenges this year. So anyways, I'm coming on today with hashtag 2 Crafters 1 Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and you see why I'm a diva. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is Maker's Choice. So anything that you got new or old or want to share, you can go ahead and join in with us. And the next week's theme will be something to wear. So that could be a wide selection of items. You could have boots, hat, scarf, sweater, whatever you'd like. And then also we enter our challenge into hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by the one and only Jillian Norwood. All right, so I'm starting out with this Whimsy Stamps metal die set, and it is called Sprinkle Scallops Rectangle Die Set, and I'm using this and this. And then for the next set, I am using this, which is All You Need Sentiments, and that's for the Glimmer set, and I'm using Thanks So Much. And then all of my my die cuts were already previously cut out, so I am trying to, I went through my stash to try and just get you something that I use. And so I know I used the Toucan Bird from this set, which is Card Tropical Slider, and I'm just using that Toucan Bird. And then I'm using from this set here a few flowers, and I had some other leaves already cut out and put together, so I don't know where I got those from. But anyways, those are the sets that I am using. Here is this beautiful card. I love it. It turned out so pretty to already have die cuts already cut out. It was so simple and quick and easy to put together, and I love how it turned out. Just so cute. I love it. But that Toucan Bird on top of those hibiscus flowers, I believe is what it's called. It just turned out so pretty. And then I did add some little gems that I picked up from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree, and so that just finished off my card. I did add a little bit of inking in the background, and I don't know what color I used, and I apologize for that. I just picked up one of my brushes that already had ink on it and just kind of rubbed it across. So, but that turned out so pretty. I thought blue color would go perfect with this set, so I really like it. Tell me what you think down below. And yeah, that's about it. Let me show you the inside. I just used that outer die again from Whimsy Stamps, but love it. So if you have the time and you'd like to join in with us this week, like I said, is Maker's Choice, and then next week will be Something to Wear. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.